What's the easiest way to make kimchi stew? Today, I'll show you the easiest way to make kimchi stew using easy to find ingredients. The ingredients may seem difficult, but it's simpler than you think. Of course, there has to be kimchi. Kimchi that has been sufficiently fermented is good. I prepared 300 grams of pork and 100 grams of green onions and 4 cloves of garlic are essential, and mushrooms can be added according to taste. If you like spicy food, prepare 1 hot pepper. Lastly, tofu is a must. First, cut the pork into 5 cm pieces. The white part of the green onion will be used for the soup and the green part will be used as a garnish. Cut the mushrooms into appropriate sizes and finally chop the garlic. If you cannot handle spicy food well, it is best to avoid chili peppers. Cut the tofu into appropriate thicknesses in advance. Add 30 milligrams of oil to the pan and cook the meat first. Cook until completely brown. Add kimchi here and mix well. Add 10 grams of gochujang and mix well. Then add 10 grams of red pepper powder. Stir fry these seasonings until they are completely mixed with the pork fat and the meat turns red in color. Now add 500 milligrams of water, and when the water starts to boil, add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 10 grams of chicken stock, green onions and mushrooms, and add minced garlic. Finally, add the pepper and boil over low heat for 5 minutes. After boiling for about 5 minutes and all the ingredients are cooked, add the tofu you cut earlier to the top of the stew as a garnish. Finally, add the green onions and you're done. Kimchi stew doesn't take long to make, but the rich meat broth and spicy kimchi combine to create a rich, savory flavor that feels like it's been simmered for a long time. If you try making it at home, you'll feel like you're traveling to Korea.